to you about today, and we've been on the fence about filming this video, and I'm like, we need to talk to them about this because we need advice. We want to know what you guys think, and we just can't stop thinking about it.
I think it's time. Is this blurry? I'm sorry if that was blurry.
Anyway, let's sit down and talk to you guys about the title of this video, which we have a lot to show you guys. If you have been following us since last year, you know we saw a house that is still on the market.
Yes.
Which is kind of weird.
It's almost like it's our house. It's
And
almost
I
like
keep
no one else
calling
is
it our
buying it
house.
because it's for us.
Yeah.
You ever think about that?
I have a friend.
And Harbor too.
Yeah, I have a friend that lives in the area, and the other day she sent me a picture of a realtor there, and I was like, wait.
Get out.
You don't get to just show our house to people. Anyway, let's get down. Let's get down to business and tell you guys all the details about this, but make sure to subscribe, follow us on TikTok, follow us on Instagram. We'll leave everything below.
And follow
Harbor doesn't have a TikTok, but and follow Dean. Should we make Dean a TikTok?
Aww.
Dean the Ween.
Dean the Ween. Harbor calls her Peen Girl, Peen Girl. Gotta make sure it's focused. There we go. See, Harbor, that's how it stays not focused. Get your cute little face out of the way.
You guys know the drill. We gotta be able to see you guys. Okay, so basically, if you guys have been following us for a little bit, back in May, we were like, oh, thinking of moving. We weren't like 100%, we were just kind of dabbling in it. We saw a house pop up in an area that we really liked, and we were like, why not go see it? We had seen other houses at this point, but at the time, I feel like we were still on the fence about moving.
Yeah.
We were kind of like, I don't know, and there were some things about the house that we were like, I don't know, would this work for us? Would we like this?
After that, Abby's mom died, and then we took a break.
We had other
with everything
priorities
in our life. We kind of just, everything went,
This house is still for sale. It's still for sale now.
kind of sus. So.
Anyway, I just posted on Instagram, I was like, do you guys want to see the house that like I can't stop thinking about? Because like every day I wake up, I'm like, I want this house. Like I want to be there.
You know, sometimes though, you want what you can't have.
Yeah, that's true.
And sometimes because no one else has gotten it and it's still there, like staring at you, like, hey,
It's
sometimes
just-
that makes you want it more.
It's the only house that checks off like pretty much all of my boxes. It has a breakfast nook, which I would love to have a breakfast nook. It has the doors that I really like, the windows that I really like. Yes! One of the big things about this house is it only has 3 bedrooms, which is fine because we'll still have another bedroom for a baby. If you know the issue, if one of us gets pregnant right now, we only have 2 bedrooms on our main floor. Hi, Dean! And our basement just isn't really in the spot to be like having a baby down there or a toddler.
We just
down
don't
there.
like the idea of it.
Yeah. But anyway, let's give you the rundown on this house and let us know what you guys think. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Could you like not live without it? Are you like thumbs down, find a different house?
So the outside is a pretty color. And so that's something that I like about it is because, I don't know,
like-
for some reason it just seems right.
Leave your guesses down below what color it is.
Yeah, sure, there you go.
When you walk in the doors, it has a really pretty wood white railing, which I don't have stairs in this house. We have like the basement stairs, but they're
they
like
don't really count.
dungeony basement
Yeah.
stairs. It has beautiful doors, like something about these doors, I just love them. And it has the type of windows that I am just obsessed with.
Oh, it has a fireplace.
Which you know we like.
I don't
It
know.
also has a breakfast nook, which we don't have now, and it just would be so awesome to have a space where we could all fit. Can you
Yes.
imagine? It has sliding like glass doors back to the backyard.
It's got a little deck in the backyard. So we can just like sit on the deck, drink our tea, watch Harbor play with the dogs, all that fun stuff.
And playing with the bubble machine.
with the dogs.
It also has a half bathroom on the main floor along with like the living room, the kitchen, and the breakfast nook. When you go upstairs, there's 3 bedrooms, a laundry room, and a linen closet.
Little closet and then a bathroom, shared bathroom, and then
Yes. So 2 bathrooms
primary
upstairs and a laundry room.
I would be really excited to have like a primary bathroom just
Yes.
for us, which I know like doesn't sound that far-fetched of a thing to have, but
Okay,
if
back
you live
in-
in an older house, you don't
Back
get
in
that
the
kind of
50s,
thing.
they did not do like primary bathrooms. They did not do walk-in closets. So our space is really limited here.
All right, what are the cons? Give me
Okay.
some cons.
Every house that we've seen has had cons. We're very picky people, okay?
Nothing's
Cons
perfect
are,
in life.
it doesn't have a full privacy fence. There is a fenced backyard, but it's not like a full like 8-inch privacy fence. It's like,
People could see us.
Short
we
fence?
couldn't do. Never.
okay, we don't do weird stuff in our backyard. Do not let her tell you when we do weird stuff. It's just like a short fence that's like, you can see through it and you can see through into the neighbor's yard. So it's not fully private. We're taking a pit stop break to the bedroom. Come on, Dean. Another one of the cons is there's only the 3 bedrooms upstairs, which I feel like is enough bedrooms for us, but if we wanted like an office space or a guest bedroom, because right now we have 5 bedrooms, 3 of them downstairs in the basement that we just can't really use. They're just not really like usable space for us. But that's like a pro con because there is an unfinished basement.
So it's not horrible. Like, we could finish the basement, but it's a task, and that's something that I want to avoid. I get
feel
it.
like those are all the cons, right?
No, there's one more con, and this is a big one. This is important. The poo-poo pipe.
Oh, I was like, what? Harbor loves a poo-poo pipe.
He's got a real passion for plumbing. And one of his favorite things is, I don't know if you guys know, in old houses sometimes they'll have like the big plumbing stack,
yeah.
the drain pipe. Sometimes it'll just be like really like front and center, and it's just right in the smack dab in the middle of our laundry room, and he loves it. He plays with it all the time. He likes to sing songs about it. He loves to listen to water go down it. It's his favorite thing. In this new house, the plumbing pipe is inside of the wall.
Do you want to tell your thoughts about the poo-poo pipe?
The poo-poo pipe, that's what it's saying.
What does it do?
Put water in it.
And where does it go?
And the sewer.
Yeah, the sewer. High five. You're smart.
You are so smart.
And the plumbing pipe.
It is a plumbing pipe, that's right. Would you want to move to a house where you couldn't see the poo-poo pipe? You don't want to?
Yeah.
You love the poo-poo pipe?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, that's a problem.
But anyway, this guy's getting a little rambunctious, so I think we're gonna do some coloring and hang out for the rest of the evening. Do you want to do some coloring?
Yeah.
Okay.
What they call my table.
Oh, okay. This is what my ovulation strip looks like today, so we're getting close to the peak. This is like my second like strict testing month, which I don't know how long I should be tracking my ovulation because I did it for 6 months before I like actually started trying with Harbor. And it's been 2 or 3 months now, so I'm like, I don't know if I'm supposed to do it longer since I've had a baby before, so I'm postpartum, so I'm a little bit more irregular, but anyway, I'm gonna put this in my little ovulation book.
So yesterday was April Fool's Day, which means 2 days ago was actually Easter, which Easter was really fun. We had a great Easter, didn't we, sweetie?
Yeah.
And the Easter Bunny came, and what did you get from the Easter Bunny?
A bubble and burritos and money and candy.
Yeah. Lots of cool stuff. Harper's trying to save up money because he wants to buy a new mop. So the Easter Bunny did give him a little bit of money so we can save up for that mop. But we had a really fun Easter. I'll insert a little bit of footage in here. Look, the Easter Bunny came. Did you want to film? Okay.
Oh, here's one.
Oh my goodness. What is it? Candy! Nice!
Oh, yeah! Purple. Is it
Okay. Oh, alright, open it up. Who is that?
Dad.
Oh my
It's the dad from Bluey. Show the camera. Boop, boop. Yeah.
But then April Fool's Day was also super fun because Harbor prepared for April Fool's Day so we could prank Mama really good. Show him what you got.
A tootin' thing.
A tootin' thing. You know what it's called? It's called a whoopee
A
cushion.
whooping cousin.
Here.
I'm gonna sit down right here.
What
is that?
It's
April Fool's!
You're silly.
We got you.
You got me.
He was so excited. Even on Easter, like, because I told him it was the day after Easter that we could do it because it came a couple days early, and he was so excited. He was getting, he kept practicing. We had to go downstairs and practice how we were gonna do it. He also pranked the dogs. How did you prank the dogs?
a bubble thing.
A bubble machine is what he used for the dogs. That was very cute too. And he also pranked Gigi and Grandpa, which I tried to screen record that prank, but I didn't realize, I always forget this. I've done this a million times. I always forget you can't like screen record the audio on FaceTime.
So sing.
He had a little monster headband that he put on, so
Yeah.
it was very silly. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. Do you have anything else you want to say before we say bye-bye?
I have a Dean.
You have a Dean. Yeah. Do you love Dean?
Yeah.
Bye!